are going to see practical number 17 of Java programming. So problem statement for this, that is write a program to design a calculator to demonstrate the use of grid layout using swing component. So first we are going to see what is grid layout. The Java grid layout class is used to arrange the components in a rectangular grid. One component is displayed in each rectangle. Grid layout is used to make a bunch of components equal in size and display them in the requested number of rows and columns. One component is displayed in each rectangle. For this we are going to for in grid layout the list of constructor will be used. So first constructor will be grid layout constructor. This grid layout creates one column per component in a row, and the grid layout constructor creates only one row. Second constructor will be grid layout integer row integer column. This creates a grid layout with the given rows and columns but no gaps between the components. And third will be grid layout integer row integer columns integer h gap and integer v gap. This creates a grid layout with the given rows and columns along with given horizontal and vertical gaps. If we give set layout, the default layout is disabled. Then we have to use set bounds method to lay out the components. In this grid layout class, commonly used methods are, first is add layout component. This method will be add the specified component with the specified name to the layout. Second will be set column. This method will be set the number of columns in this layout to the specified value. Third will be set horizontal gap. This method will be add horizontal gap between components to the specified value. Fourth method will be set rows. This method sets the number of rows in this layout to the specified value. Fifth method will be set v gap. This method will be set the vertical gap between components to the specified value. So for performing or for designing a calculator, we can perform one Java program. For performing this Java program, use Eclipse IDE. Okay, here I can open the Eclipse IDE. Okay, launch it. Just wait, my Eclipse IDE will be started. Okay, here you can see on my screen there will be two folders which are already created in my Eclipse, that is Java practical and second year. In previous video we are going to see how to create this folder. Okay, in this we are going to save our or we are going to save our practical. So just create a one class in this folder, new, create a class. Okay, here you can see my source folder will be Java practical. Okay, so my class name, that is this program to design a calculator. So my using a grid layout, so my class name will be calculator grid layout, calculator grid layout. Okay, just select main method, public static void main string args and finish. Okay, here you can see my class will be created successfully. In this class main method also be created successfully. Okay, now just perform practical. Okay, first we are going to import two packages. First is import swing, import dot swing. So why this package will be created? Okay, this package will be used to create a user interface. This package will be used to create a user interface. Okay, this is our first practical. Put dot multiplication or star semicolon. Okay, here you can see a error, that is syntax error or token. expected semicolon. Okay, after that just create a second package, import java import java dot awt import java dot awt star semicolon. Okay, why this package will be imported? Because this package will be provides frameworks for graphics, so these two package will be needed for this practical. After that we are successfully create our class and main method will also be created. Okay, in this main method first we are going to create a one jframe, create a one jframe. Okay, create jframe. Okay, this is command, create jframe. Okay, for creating a jframe, so why we create a jframe? Because jframe acts as the main window for java application. Okay, so just jframe jframe frame frame new equal to new jframe in rounded bracket. This is for this frame for calculator, this frame for calculator. Okay, this frame for calculator, put semicolon at the end, and after that we can create a text field, okay, create text field, create text field. Okay, for creating a text field use the syntax text j text field j text field j text field is equal to j text field j text field txt j text field. Now a name for this j text field, j text field. Okay, txt display is equal to new j text field rounded bracket, put semicolon at the end. Okay, this is create a text field. After that we are going to create a set it is editable or not. If you want to edit in this text field, just give a txt display dot set editable. Okay, here you can see the method will be given, just click enter button. Okay, and in this we are going to give a false, in this value will be given for false. After that just create a txt display okay, dot set horizontal alignment, okay, just enter horizontal alignment in the right side. So give j text field dot right. Okay, enter dot right, put semicolon at the end. Okay, this is all creating a text field. After that set layout for frame, so set layout for frame. Okay, set layout for frame. Okay, so frame dot set layout set layout in rounded bracket new new border new border layout new border layout new border layout. Okay, after that we are set a button for panels. Okay, panel 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 for buttons panel for buttons. Okay, just set a panel for button j panel j panel panel j panel panel equal to new new j panel new j panel. Put rounded bracket in this, put semicolon at the end. Okay, just wait, our p will be capital j panel. Okay, after that we are set a uh, set layout for this panel. Okay, so just set panel panel dot set layout panel dot set layout new grid layout new grid layout. Okay, grid layout arrange components in rows and columns of equal size. So new grid layout, sorry, okay, layout new grid layout and just give a sizes for column and row. So here we can create a 4 rows and 4 columns. So 4 comma 4 and rows with 4 comma 4 and 5 comma 5. Okay, this is our creates 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, just after that we can add a labels on button. So button labels. Okay, button labels button label. For this program is related to calculator, so we are going to add a button for calculator. So for this we can use a string button. Okay, string button. Okay, and just added a button in this, just added button in this string buttons equal to curly bracket, open curly bracket, and put a value in this. So first 7 comma 8, this value will be put in double inverted bracket 7 8 9. This is first, and after that, sorry, comma slash. Okay, this is our first row, put comma. After that the second row will be, or second in second rows button will be 4 comma 5 comma 6, and last button will be star, last button will be star. Okay, comma. After that in third row button will be 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, 3 and minus. Okay, that is for subtraction. Okay, that is for subtraction. After that the in last row the button will be 0 comma. You can see on calculator there will be clear button, so here we can also add C for clear. After that comma, and if you want addition or subtraction we are going to use equal, so here also we can use equal comma, and last one button for the plus. So here you can see our button, that is for addition, this is for subtraction, this is for multiplication, this is for divide. Okay, just after that just complete a curly bracket. Okay, this is here, close a curly bracket. Okay, okay, curly bracket will be closed. After that we are going to add buttons to panel. Okay, add buttons to panel. Just syntax for this is okay, just wait, there is some error, that is syntax error to complete local variable. Okay, just what is wrong, comma, double inverted comma, string button, syntax error. Okay, just we are solve this error after after completed our code. So after that we can add a buttons for label. Add buttons, add buttons to panel, sorry, add buttons to panel. Okay, add buttons to panel. Okay, in this for loop will be used for string text, for string text, for string text, colon buttons, colon buttons. Okay, in this the in curly bracket, panel, panel dot add, panel dot add, panel dot add new, new j button, new j button, new j button, in this rounded bracket text, new button text, put semicolon at the end. Okay, after that the for loop will be completed. Okay, the for loop will be completed. Okay, for loop will be completed. Okay, after that we are add a components, we are going to add a components, add components to frame, add components, components, add components, sorry, add components, add components to frame. Okay, add components to frame. Okay, so frame dot add, frame dot add. Okay, frame dot add txt display, this is our one component, txt display, comma border layout, border layout, border layout dot north, north. Okay, this is for first text. And after that add second frame, frame dot add, frame dot add panel, frame dot add panel. Okay, panel, frame dot add panel, comma border layout, border layout, border layout dot, this for this panel button will be in position center, so just sorry, center, center. Okay, center, put semicolon at the end. Okay, after that the last that is we can set properties for frame. So frame properties, frame properties, properties. Okay, frame properties, here set size for frame, frame, frame dot set size, frame dot set size, okay, frame dot set size, add a size 300 comma 350, okay, 300 comma 350. After that just perform the operation, that is set default close operation. This operation will be closes the application when the windows is closed. Okay, so frame dot set default set default close operation. Okay, here you can see this operation, just click enter. Okay, set default, and in this we can give, this is operation will be for close, so just jframe dot exit jframe dot exit underscore on close. Here you can see this operation also be given, just click on enter. After that we are going to uh, frame set visible. Okay, frame dot set visible okay, set visible sorry set visible true set visible true. Okay, this is our code. Okay, okay, here you can see there is a one syntax error. Okay, just solve this error. They can see insert semicolon. Okay, after this curly bracket we need to insert a semicolon. Okay, just save this program. In this program we are going to use many swing component. First is a jframe, after that j text field, okay, after that j buttons, okay, and after that the panel. Okay, jframe will be main window, j text field display the area, j button it is a calculator button, and j panel it is a container for button. And border layout also be used. Border layout will be display at the top and button panel at the center. So file save. Okay, run this file. Okay, here you can see the calculator display. Okay, 7 8 9 for plus minus multiplication division. Okay, clear button also be here, for assignment button also be here, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And this is our calculator design, practical number 17 of Java practical. Okay, so this is all today about. Thank you.